Ava struggled to keep up with her friends on the hike. Despite being only 15, she had trouble walking a few flights of stairs without wheezing or needing to rest. At her last doctor's visit, the diagnosis was hard to hear, but not surprising. Ava was obese. With World Obesity Day being tomorrow, Ava decided it was time to make a change to avoid the healthy issues that run in her family. World Obesity Day aims to raise awareness of the global obesity crisis and encourage practical solutions. Obesity rates have nearly tripled since 1975. According to the WHO, over 1.9 billion adults were overweight in 2016, with 650 million being obese. Obesity is a major cause of health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. The theme of this year's World Obesity Day is treat obesity now and avoid the consequences later. The next day at school, Ava's teacher discussed health issues linked to obesity in honor of World Obesity Day. Upon learning that obesity reduces life expectancy and quality of life, Ava resolved to lose weight through diet and exercise. She talked to her parents and doctor about creating a weight loss plan. They suggested making balanced nutritious meals, watching portion sizes, and doing 6 minutes of exercise per day. While difficult at first, Ava found that making better choices became a habit. She discovered a newfound joy in preparing tasty, healthy meals and outdoor activities with her friends. After 6 months, Ava was down 50 pounds. Her confidence and energy soared. She even joined a local youth program to encourage healthy living in her community. To promote World Obesity Day, the program organized a healthy fair with free exercise and nutrition consultations. Ava shared her story during an inspiring talk, motivating others to make lifestyle changes to combat obesity and related health issues. Some were even brought to tears upon seeing how much Ava has transformed her life at such a young age. World Obesity Day highlights the need to treat what has become a global epidemic. By raising awareness of the risks associated with obesity and promoting practical solutions, we can inspire people like Ava to make impactful changes to improve their well-being for years to come. Our health is one of the greatest gifts, and positive habits developed today will lead to a lifetime of benefits. Through education and action, we can curb obesity rates and help future generations live more active, longer lives. March 4 is World Obesity Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day. And have a wonderful World Obesity Day. Cheers!